Make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you can destroy your engine on your Fiat 500. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500. If you have a Fiat 500, you're trying to find where the oil pressure sensor, also known as oil pressure switch, is located. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. We have a special video, guys, that talks about the symptoms of bad oil pressure sensor, what to expect, and we're going to talk today about common mistakes people make. So make sure to stay until the end, because if you do that, you will destroy your engine. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you guys. And if you need to buy new oil pressure sensor switch, parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link that we will share in the description of the video below, and you can save a ton of money, guys. So with that being said, let's explain what we have specifically here. Fiat 500 Abarth. But even if you have a different one, procedure is about the same. Oil pressure switch is super important, guys, for multiple things, especially the Abarth. Okay, this is known as the multi-air engine, guys, or the 1.4 turbo. If you have a multi-air Fiat, you have variable timing solenoids, okay, on every cylinder that controls independently the valves, which is controlled by oil pressure. You have a special sensor which is known as the oil temperature sensor as well, and if you don't have the right pressure, everything will go bad, guys. Okay, it may malfunction. Another thing, you can destroy your engine in just a few seconds if the oil pressure is out. Now, if you get a light, okay, oil light on, it is likely you have a bad oil pressure switch, okay? But we have a special video that explains the symptoms of oil pressure switch and all that stuff, but never drive the car with the oil light on, because you will destroy it in just a matter of seconds or minutes. Now, where is that switch located, guys? Okay, right here. If you come underneath the car, check this thing out. Our oil, okay, oil filter is located, it's accessible from the top, but it's right there. That's the oil cooler here. And if you pay attention, guys, right here, okay, on the kind of like on the timing cover there, right on the oil filter housing, you have that switch sensor right here. That's the oil pressure switch. If you have an oil light on, okay, it could be a bad switch. We'll have a video how to test it, but it could be multiple things, such as bad oil filter that does not allow oil circulation, worn oil pump, worn engine, not building enough pressure usually, guys. So it could be multiple things, but often, I would say 7 out of 10 times, will be a bad oil pressure switch that we see here at the garage. Now, in order to replace it, it's pretty simple. You just go ahead, disconnect it, get a socket that fits right here. I believe it was we can actually even get a wrench, okay, because it's accessible. You can see, you can go ahead, remove it, unscrew it, put the new one, okay, and replace it pretty easily. So it will take you only a few minutes. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing to do that. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you next time.